Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Barclays Avios Rewards Review My Usage Experience. Barclays Avios Rewards Review My Usage Experience offers a way to manage and track your Avios points earned through Barclays credit cards and other participating partners. It's aimed at Barclays customers who want to maximize the value of their Avios rewards program. Key features likely include viewing your Avios balance, booking flights and hotels using Avios, and seeing transaction history related to Avios accrual. Their website provides details on the full range of functionalities. Their website highlights the ease of accessing your Avios points and booking rewards. They emphasize the variety of redemption options available, ranging from flights and hotels to car rentals and more. Pricing is obviously tied to the cost of the flights and accommodations you book, and it isn't a service with a fee. Availability depends on flight and hotel availability through their partners. This information can be checked directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Barclays Avios Rewards Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged in using my existing Barclays online banking credentials. The interface is pretty intuitive, although a little cluttered at first glance. I easily found my Avios balance and transaction history. I particularly liked the calendar view, which allowed me to see my points accumulation over time. I used it to book a short weekend trip to Amsterdam, and the process of searching for flights and redeeming my Avios points was fairly smooth. The search function could be improved, though I found it a bit slow at times. I had a question about a specific transaction and their customer support responded within 2 days via email, a little longer than I'd prefer, but they were helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing my points on my phone would make things much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It's not perfect, but it efficiently allows me to manage my Avios and redeem them for travel. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to see my Avios accumulation visually through the calendar. That's my overview of Barclays Avios Rewards Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.